Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to bold your text in Adobe InDesign. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Adobe InDesign document and follow these simple steps. So my first step will be to create a text holder or a text box so I can show you how to bold your text. Now I'm going to fill this text box with the placeholder text, and I'm going just to resize it a little bit to be more visible. Now I'm going to give it 30 size, and as you can see, this is my font, the Medium Pro and regular character style. Now we want to make it bold, so we will need to change its characters or its properties. So the first thing that we will need to do is to go to the properties panel, and if you cannot find it, all you need to do is to go to the window menu and search for properties. Otherwise, we can just use the character panel, and also we can get it from the window menu and search for type in tables and search for character, and now you will have the character panel. So basically, to have the bold text we need to have this character style to be a bold. Unfortunately, not all the fonts have the bold style for the characters. So the solution to do this is to search for a font that contains a multiple character style. To know if a font does provide the many character style, you need to see these numbers next to the name of the font. As you can see, this Lucida Sans has 4 character styles, and if I expand it, I can find the demi-bold and regular and italic. So basically, this is the bold style. And even if I go to the character styles, I can find multiple character style. Let's see another font. For example, this one has 91 character style, so let's go for something that has just a few. And as you can see, this agency FP, for example, has the bold character style, and now I have a bold text. And you can do this with many or with all these multiple fonts that you have on your Adobe InDesign, or you can just download new fonts in the internet, and it is easy. You need just to go to this website that is called the font. Search for thefonts.com and you will find it, and here you will need to search for all. For example, you search for here and you see all the characters, and if it has some bold uh, styles, or you can see other websites and just download and install the fonts, and you will have it automatically in Adobe InDesign. So basically those are the ways to do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.